Hey guys, so before I get started with anything, I just wanted to thank you guys so much, like so much, because I hit 100 subscribers over the weekend, and it just kind of blows my mind because obviously this isn't about the numbers for me, but I just can't believe that like 100 people actually care about what I'm saying. So if you're new here, my name is Jaylene Soto. I am a first year teacher here in Northern Florida, but I'm originally from Atlanta, Georgia. So I just want to thank you guys so much for subscribing. If you already hit that subscribe button, thank you so much. If you haven't, make sure that you go do that now, because here I am trying to set up my classroom, and I wanted to show you guys some things that I bought over the weekend. So yeah, I just want to say thank you again for just checking me out, for wanting to see what little old me has to do in this world, in this teaching world. So let me turn my phone around so I can show you guys all that I got this weekend, because I haven't been here in about a week. I just needed to take a break, but now I'm back. So here we go. Okay, I'm gonna start off on the left side. So I got some command hooks because I think I'm gonna use these to hang up some anchor charts, and I'm sure I can find some other use for that, but I got 3 of those. Well, my fiance did. I also got some electrical tape. I'm gonna use this to help me separate my whiteboard. I also got this magnetic rod from Walmart because I'm gonna use this to hang up my anchor charts. This, I am planning on using this contact paper, this marble contact paper, for my teacher desk. So that's probably what I'm gonna do today as well. These sippy straws, they were 96 cents. So I figured that I would get them because I am going to put these straws on this paper. I'm gonna put this paper on this straw. Sorry, that sounded weird. So yeah, I think that would be cute. I made these just on PowerPoint, and I just cut them out, and yeah, that'll be cute. Simple, easy, cheap. I also got this from Michael's because why not? I plan on using this for like small group. And then I got the rainbow card, but that was on Amazon and I left that at home. So I'll show it to you guys later. Next, I got this fishing wire because I'm gonna use this to hang up stuff on the ceiling. It's undetectable. If you ever use this, you can't tell anything is there. One of the teachers that I used to sub for used this, and I pretty much got hooked. And then the last thing I got was this black table cover because I am going to use this for like around the sink area, and I'll show you guys all of that later. So that's all I got here. The last thing that I got was these pillows right here. I got these from Goodwill. Well, my fiance bought them for me. They were $1, and I just figured I don't know, I'd throw them in here just to make it a little bit more comfy, and they were cheap. So yeah. I also forgot to say that I went on TPT this weekend and got a whole bunch of resources that I think I'm gonna use. So this being one of them, these are the hand signals that I plan on using with my students, and I'm gonna have some hand signals as well. So I'm gonna section off the board for these as well. And then the other thing that I got off TPT is these like birthday, I guess cards, I don't know. I just printed these off and laminated them, and then I'm gonna hang these probably somewhere around the door over there. So I'm gonna do these as well. Able to get all of these cut out. Definitely using a paper cutter is way easier. I was able to do this in like 3 minutes instead of 10 with like if you were to use regular scissors. So if you look at my board, I already have it kind of sectioned off as to how I want it. So up here I'm gonna have today's date, and then important dates, and then a classroom management system, and then their hand signals. So let me do this right now, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like kind of towards the end. I honestly don't really know why I was struggling. It was just like not sticking correctly, and there's like a few bumps on there, but it's like only, I feel like only I'm the one that can tell that they're there. Other than that, like I don't think you'll be able to tell. But definitely what I should have done to begin with, because the first time that I tried to do this, it was like I measured out how wide the desk was, and then I got that much contact paper, but it was just very difficult, I guess you could say, because I wasn't able to maneuver it correctly. So I just ended up cutting it into 3 pieces, and you can kind of see like the line where I cut it, but it's really not, like, you'd have to like really look to see that line. So I'm happy with the way that it came out. So let me zoom you guys in so that you can see it a little bit better, but it took me about maybe like 8 minutes. So here it is. See how like you can see the lines as to where I cut? I don't know, can you guys see them? Let me know down below. But yeah, I'm happy how it looks. I don't think I'm gonna do the top just because I don't even think I have enough contact paper, and I just don't really feel like doing all that. But this is cute, I like that. I'm gonna cross this off my list right now then. Okay, so I kind of got a little bit sidetracked. I finished off the board, I'll show you guys later on, but I added like an agenda section of the board as well as the class job section, and I'm gonna print out some levels of understanding posters, so I'm gonna do that later on. But right now, I don't know, like I just kind of got tired of dealing with the board. So right now I'm about to open all of my bendy straws and then put that label that I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. I'm gonna do that and then cut out some of, let me show you. So I cut some of these out already. It says, "You are going to glow this year, love, Miss Soto." And I don't remember if I said this in a previous video, but one of the teachers that I used to work with when I was subbing in the spring, she gave me like a bag full of glow sticks. So I thought it was cute to, during like meet the teacher night, have this label with the glow sticks. I don't know, I thought it was cute. So I started cutting these, but then I remembered that I had like my paper cutter here in the classroom. So I stopped that at home and I was like, I'm just gonna finish it all at the school because it'll make my life easier. So I'm gonna do that. And then I'm looking at my whiteboard to see what else I have on my list. Other than that, I think I'm also going to start cutting these. Do you guys remember these labels? I talked about this, I think, in my second video of my class setup series. I'm gonna link a playlist link right somewhere over here or somewhere over here. I don't know, you'll see it pop up. Where I first showed these in that video. Now, I'm gonna cut these out, and even though I don't have my rolling cart yet, I still just want to have them ready just to get it out the way. So I think that's all that I'm gonna do. So let me put you guys down and show you what I'm gonna do. This is seriously like the best idea ever. I saw somebody on Instagram do this. I don't remember who. I'm gonna make a post about this on Instagram, so I'm gonna tag that person. If I see them like on my feed, then I don't remember who it was. But this is seriously so easy. Like all I had to do was go to Walmart. These were like 95, maybe like 96 cents, so pretty much $1. And it was easy, you know, like I don't know. I feel like this is just such a cute little gift. I would love this. Like I'm thinking like as a 4th grader, I would literally be obsessed, because even now, like I'm just so happy that I have these and I want to use one, but obviously it's for my students. What do you guys give your kids as a birthday little treat? Do you go all out? Do you, I don't know. I've seen some teachers like give them like a big gift, and I've seen other teachers do something cute and simple like this. So what kind of teacher are you? Do you go all out for your students, or do you do something cute and simple like me? I just didn't want something that was too time consuming, you know, like I feel like they would like this and it was easy for me to do. So yeah, but I'm definitely loving how these are looking so far. So yeah, guys, I think that's all that I'm going to do today. I finished up my bendy straws, but I wanted to show you guys the whiteboard first. So as you can see, I have the day, class jobs, levels of understanding, and then over here I was able to put up my magnetic rod, and that's where my anchor charts are gonna go. And let me show you the straws. This is what they ended up looking like. So cute. And I'm just gonna finish cutting off the glow stick tags, and I think that's all that I'm gonna do. Again, thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. I just can't believe that. And make sure that if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do that. And always, always, always check the description box below, because I always leave links for you, as like for stuff that I talked about or anything that I think would be helpful for you. So don't forget to check that out. And I think that's all that I have to say. So I will see you guys in my next one. I think this was day 5 of my classroom setup, and I'll be back tomorrow. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe so that you don't miss out on future videos. Go ahead and also follow me on Instagram at Elementary School Moments, as well as check out the description box below where you'll find any helpful links. See you next time.